The weekly code quiz.
Last quiz, we went over a form element used to create a drop-down list, the select element. The option element is used to describe each possible option in our drop-down menu. However, in some instances, our options can fall into categories. What element would you use to combine related options under a group together? The optgroup element is used with the select element to group some of the option elements together. Name two attributes that work with the optgroup element: disabled and label. What does the disabled attribute do? The disabled attribute makes none of the options within a grouping selectable. What does the label attribute do? The label attribute is used to name a group of options. Here is an example. So looking at our example, the for attribute for our label element for breeds binds to the ID attribute of breeds in the select element. And then instead of having several options in one row, we see that we have option elements within different opt groups. And these opt groups group some of the options together. So for instance, all the breeds that have to do with dogs are together in an opt group labeled dog breeds, while the groupings of cat breeds are grouped into an opt group for cat breeds. And then the different types of birds are in an opt group for bird breeds. And for other types of animals, we have an other opt group and the option that it is not listed, and that option actually uses the disabled attribute. So when we look at how this appears on our screen, we see that the browser has grayed it out, so none of those options are selectable. Why use the opt-grouped element? The grouping of elements helps to make a drop-down list of several options more manageable. Presented by Designers Learn Code.